Good afternoon, you guys. All right, Mrs. O is at it again. I'm dog tired, but I have to do it. Tomorrow is my son's birthday, and for his birthday, he always requests a pineapple cake. Not the pineapple upside down cake. I'm going to show you guys how I make my pineapple cake, so it will not be upside down. But anyway, let's get started. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm really tired though. You're gonna get 20 ounces of crushed pineapple and 100% pineapple juice. So you want 2 of these, 20 ounces. Okay, we'll put those in a pot. You're going to do half a stick of butter. You're going to do 2 tablespoons of squeezed lemon juice. All right, let's put that in there. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of orange juice. So let's put that in there. And also, you guys, I did put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then last, you're going to add a half a cup of sugar. The reason I'm adding a half a cup is because the crushed pineapples are already sweet. So you don't want your cake too sweet. So I'm going in with a half a cup of white granulated sugar. Okay, let's stir this. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to let this on the stove, and it's going to get real thick and just yummy. And what I do after this get real thick, I do a quick slurry with cornstarch and pineapple juice. That way it will thicken up nicely. So I'm going to say this is going to take probably around 20 minutes. So you guys stay connected, because I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate this cake. I seen an idea that is just totally awesome. So hang tight. I'm going to go to that and show you guys how we're going to decorate this cake. Even though we're just not doing the icing, I'm preparing the decoration. So hang on. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. Here is the crushed pineapple mixture. And I'm going to say it really cooked for about 30 minutes because I wanted the majority of the juice out of it so your cake will not be wet. So I'm going to add a slurry to this. I did 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So I'm going to add this in. Put it back on maybe a minute. You see how it's already thick? And this is how I am going to frost the cake. So nothing is upside down about this. All right, I'm getting ready to do the cake. I'll come back and show you guys the cake. Then we'll get to rocking and rolling. All right. See you back soon. Okay, you guys. I hope I'm not just babbling. When I get really tired, I kind of talk a lot. And I think I've been talking a lot on this video. But anyway, these are the 2 cakes. It is a pineapple cake. For some strange reason, the only homemade cake my son likes are pound cakes. So I just did a box pineapple super moist cake. I followed the directions on the back, and then I just added 1 3-ounce box of island pineapple jello just to kind of kick up the flavor. So I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once I come back, let them cool. I'm going to show you guys that awesome pineapple frosting. All right, we're about to get these babies done because tomorrow's his birthday, so I have to get them done by tonight. Hang tight, you guys. Here is the finished cake. Now I'm getting ready to ice it. I'm going to show you guys how I do my pineapple cake that my son loves. And I'd like to say, like when you get your cakes out of the oven and you let them cool, take a brush like this and just brush the crumbs off. That way you won't have crumbs, you know, on your cake or in your icing. All right, let me show you guys this beautiful icing. I'm going to put some on the cake. See that? Look at that. You see how thick it is? And this is the way my son likes it. And I am literally going to frost the entire cake like this. So let me work my magic, you guys. And when I come back, you're going to see a masterpiece. But again, I want to show you the frosting and show you how thick and luscious. Look. That is the pineapple that we cooked down, added the slurry. And this is what we got. All right, you guys, when I come back, we will be finished. All right, back in a few. Okay, here is the finished product of the right side up pineapple cake that I'm making for my son's birthday. You guys, please put this recipe in your holiday file. It would be great on your table with the red cherries. And even you could get some green cherries and replace 2 of the red cherries. But I want you to take a look. And my son asked me, please, you can post it, but do not cut my cake. So sorry, you guys. Hopefully he will take a picture and cut it. Again, this is the pineapple right side up cake. God bless you. You guys have a great week, and we'll be cooking again soon. Thank you.